Welcome to Fuzzy App. In this quick guide, we'll explore how to use Canva to add auto subtitles to your videos. Subtitles can improve accessibility, boost engagement, and help viewers follow along even in muted environments. Canva simplifies the process with its user-friendly interface and customizable options, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Let's dive in. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the Videos section. Create a new video project and upload your video file by going to the Upload section in the left-hand menu. Once uploaded, drag your video to the timeline to begin editing. Here's the video in which we will add subtitles.
Welcome to Fuzzy App. Today, we'll show you how to add automatic video subtitles using Canva. Stay connected for more tips.
Next, go to the Apps option in the left-hand menu and type Subtitles in the search bar. You'll see multiple options for subtitles. Select the Animated Subtitles feature. Make sure your video is selected, then click Start to begin generating the subtitles. Once the process starts, click Export and allow time for the subtitles to generate. Once your subtitles are ready, you can customize them. Canva provides several style options to suit your video. After selecting a style, you can adjust the font, size, position, and color to match your branding or aesthetic preferences. When you're happy with the customization, click Generate. This process might take a little time. Once it's complete, review the generated text and make any necessary corrections to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, click the Generate Video Subtitles button to finalize your video. It will take some time to process. That's it. Your video is now equipped with auto subtitles created in Canva. To integrate your video into your design, click Add to Design and adjust the generated video to fit the frame. Check the video to ensure everything looks perfect.
Welcome to Fuzzy App. Today, we'll show you how to add automatic video subtitles using Canva. Stay connected for more tips.
Finally, download your video by clicking Download in the File menu. Ensure the download format is set to MP4. Once downloaded, verify the file to confirm it has been saved correctly.
Welcome to Fuzzy App. Today, we'll show you how to add automatic video subtitles using Canva. Stay connected for more tips.
Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.